welcome to another video series by HugTak. In this video, we are going to introduce the concept of data analytics through various softwares or programs. But before moving to all these softwares or programs, we need to understand data analytics in detail. It is science of analyzing raw data into a structured form in order to make judgments about that data. In simple words, it's all about exploring data in meaningful ways so as to understand different dimensions. So without predictive modeling or data analytics, it would be difficult for any firm to survive in the modern era. In the midst of COVID-19 outbreak, it's getting more prominence. As we all know, it would be helpful in predicting the number of probable hotspots where the virus attack can have a severe impact. Now we need to understand the tools or programs that are available for studying data analytics, and they are Python, SPSS, MS Excel and R. So we would be dealing with all these softwares or programs one by one. So let's start with Python. Let's begin with the basics of Python. First, we need to understand what do you mean by Anaconda prompt and Anaconda package. Anaconda prompt is nothing but a distribution of Python, and we need to understand more about IDEs too. IDE is nothing but a platform for writing the codes of Python programming language. There are different IDEs available in the market like PyCharm, Spider, Jupyter Notebook, etc. And we prefer Jupyter Notebook IDE because that's one of the most user-friendly platforms available for writing the codes of Python programming language. And I would discuss some basics of Python in this video, like how the output screen will be displayed, the print function and stuff like that. For downloading Anaconda package, you need to go to the website. So we are in the website of Anaconda. Here you can see one option called download. Click on that. Now we have got two options, Python 3.7 and 2.7. We are going with the latest version, Python 3.7. Now you need to check the system configuration, whether it's a 64-bit system or 32-bit. So I am going with 64-bit, and you can see one executable file will get downloaded. Once you have downloaded the executed file, you can see that file in your downloads. You can see one exe application. So click on that and run the file. The program will get installed in your system. I have already installed Anaconda prompt in my system. Type Anaconda. Anaconda prompt is listed here. Click here. The window will get opened. Now I am in C drive. I need to decide where do I want to save my output files. We are planning to write the codes in Jupyter Notebook IDE. Once we write the codes, we will get the output and we need to save those output files in any drive. I am planning to save my files in D drive. For that, I need to type D:. Now I am in D drive. Now I need to decide which folder I need to save my files. For that, I am planning to make one folder, md demo2. Now I need to change my directory to enter into demo2, cd demo2. So now I am in demo2 directory or folder. From here, I need to go to the IDE of Jupyter Notebook. Type Jupyter space Notebook. Anaconda prompt will take you to the home page of Jupyter Notebook. It might take a second or two. And here the home page is displayed in Google Chrome browser because that is my default browser. Here you can see many options like name, upload new, quit, logout, all these options. To open a new notebook, select new, Python 3 option. Then we will get a new notebook which has one active cell. You can see that option. Now you can see one active cell. and this is a place where you write your codes. This cell can be seen in two different colors, green and blue. If the cell is in green color, it means you are in edit mode, and if it is in blue color, it means you are in command mode. And if the cell is in edit mode, it means you can write your codes over there. I'll show you an example. Print in and press shift enter to execute any code. You can see that the message in got displayed. And if you want to go back to command mode, press escape or click anywhere outside the active cell. You can see that the color has changed to blue, and from here you can execute any command. Like if you want to add a new cell above the active cell, press A, and if you want to add a new cell below the active cell, press B, and you can delete a cell by pressing D twice. You can see that the cell got deleted. I hope it's going fine till now. Next concept is markdown command. Markdown is a text formatting command available in Jupyter Notebook. So I will show you with an example how to execute markdown command. Suppose if I want to give a proper heading to the codes I have written, I will use markdown command. For that, I need to go to the active cell, press hash space print. Now you can see that I am in edit mode. I need to go to command mode to execute this command. For that, press escape. Now I am in command mode. Press M. So M is for markdown. You can see that markdown is in this list right now. Now the heading is in place, but it's not in a proper format. For that, I need to press shift enter. You can see that a proper heading is in place. Now let's begin with the coding part. In any programming language, everyone would be interested in knowing how the output will be displayed on the screen. So let's see how that happens in Python. In Python, for displaying the output, we use print function. So I am planning to do that with a new file or a new page. Go to new Python 3. A new page will be displayed for writing my codes. Here I write print welcome. You can see that welcome is written in double quotes. Press shift enter. The code is executed. You can see the word welcome is displayed on the screen. Now let's type the same matter without quotes. Let's see what happens. An error message is displayed. It says welcome is not defined. So whenever a string has to be displayed on the screen, it has to be in single quote or double quotes. If it is not a string or text file, that is not required. For example, if you want to print a number or if you want to display a number on the screen, these formats are not required at all. Type print 3, press shift enter. That's it. You can see the number 3 is displayed on screen. That's all for this session. Have a good day.